Hi, guys.
And we're going to have a little fun today.
I feel like we're in for something really good. I love cheese.
These guys are smooth.
I don't believe in anybody.
Let's do it.
Hi, guys. This is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here with a totally random choice. I can't even remember what video we were on. Maybe it was one of the VNV Nation
Or
and Mono Inc. songs. And one of this song got suggested in the suggested videos, and I don't know, something about the thumbnail caught my eye. Never even heard of this band, Project Pitchfork. The song is called Rain, but I was like, oh, let's give it a shot.
It's all a mystery to us.
Indeed.
All right, let's see
Let's
what
go.
they got.
It could be a total dud, who knows? Okay, not a total dud yet.
Maybe it was on the Gary Newman.
Could be.
Yeah.
Based on what it was suggested on, I said it's going to be a good one. Weird voice, eh?
Doesn't sound the same, but just give me a Sisters of Mercy vibe when he
You're
sings.
absolutely right.
I like it.
Yeah?
Mountains of gold are shrinking in time. They vanish into space, revealing your true face. What is the meaning of all that is? Just for a start, I can feel your smile right in my heart.
You gonna play some shot put?
Time is calling name by name. Come back to me. Enchanted by the sound, the souls swirl around and around. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me. Enchanted by the sound, my soul bursts into flames.
I like that. I like that sound. The quality of it is really good.
Rain keeps falling down, down into the rivers of life, into the oceans of this world, and back up into the sky. Down on the ground, everything goes cold. High up in the sky, there is
Oh dear.
place to hide. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me. Enchanted by the sound, the souls swirl around and around. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me. Enchanted by the sound, my soul bursts into flame.
visual. Oh, that was a good little score.
Yeah, that was. I really liked the. Okay, first of all, I liked the vocals. I liked his voice.
Yeah.
And he didn't. It didn't all remind me of Sisters of Mercy, but certain points
No,
of it.
I absolutely
certain points
hear
of it
what you're
did.
talking about. You're absolutely right. It does sound like.
And you had that dark, heavy, basis of this.
Yeah.
And such a sweet melodic sensibility on some of the other synth sounds.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Halfway through the song, I thought, oh my God, Mike's got to be loving this one.
Oh, yeah, I enjoyed that quite a bit.
It was right on the mark for all the things that I know you really like.
Yeah, it was really good.
It was good. And you're absolutely right about his voice, right? Like I wouldn't have cut. I did when he first started think, oh, that sounds, he reminds me of something, but I don't know if I would have come out with Sisters of Mercy.
It's a lot
You're absolutely
raspier
right.
than, what's his face from Sisters of Andrew something, I think. It's a lot raspier than his voice. But kind of the
similar
pitch
kind of
and
sound,
the
though,
depth
especially
of it.
when he got into the chorus.
Yeah.
I thought it sounds a lot like something that they would do, which is a good thing. That's a compliment because they're definitely a really good band. But yeah, like all of it sounded really good.
I'm discovering lately between this and VNV Nation and Mono Inc, a lot of people are doing synth stuff in the 21st century. I thought it died when I was 17.
Yeah, well,
I'm
gladly some of it did. Right?
Well,
Some
but
of it
that's
was
the thing.
really
People
bad.
that are doing it now, 30 odd years later, you've kind of weeded out the heavily experimental mistakes. Let's call them.
Yeah.
The trendy, the hey, it's this, do it because it's new.
Yeah.
Right.
The thing with synth is,
and a lot of the modern stuff is really, really good.
yeah, the thing with synth is, okay, so there's clean synth and then there's dirty synth, right? And they both have really good qualities. But then there's stuff that tries to be either one and just misses. And synthesizer is like a bad robot, right? It's got that uncanny valley quality that just makes you uncomfortable, right?
Yeah.
So if you don't get it, I think electronic music has come a long way where they've cleaned up the sound so that it sounds more true, whichever way you do it, right? And that's probably it, maybe. I don't know. That's the feeling that I get, because you're right. Because God, on this channel a million times I must have said I don't really like synthy music, but how many of the synthy songs have we come up with that have been newer stuff? And I've been like, oh my God, I really loved that.
So what she doesn't like is experiments in synth music that failed in the 80s.
A lot of the 80s stuff was like that, though, right? Like a lot of it was like that.
That's how you learn.
Yeah. But, that was good. We're going to have to... Oh, I've got their name written down over there so I don't forget who they are. That was really good. So I'd like to try some more of them.
Yeah, if anybody viewing this knows something about Project
Pitchfork,
they want to throw in the comments?
Yeah, it had to be. You know what? That had to be on that Mono Inc song we did.
Maybe, yeah.
Because it was very reminiscent of a similar kind of sound. It was good.
It was real good.
Whew. Hopefully you all enjoyed that enough. You're going to want to say, play it again. Don't forget to hit like. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.